In this video, we are going to look at how to model a roof construction in Revit. Let's get straight to it. But first, we are going to create a new file from the metric architectural template. In the shortcut UN, I will change my units to meters to 2 decimal places. The mouse over here and select the wall tool. Ensure the constraint is set to level 2. The rectangle tool from here. Building size will be about 10 by 20. After that, let's create a roof. I'll go to roof and select roof by footprint. This level should be set to level 2. And enter 60 centimeters for the overhang. Pick the walls to create the roof. Select both ends of the roof and then check define slope. And now finish the roof creation. And now let's view that in 3D. To change the roof thickness, select the roof, open edit type, duplicate. I'll reduce the thickness to 50 type. So open edit and enter 50 for the thickness. Now let's go back to our drawing. We have finished creating the roof. Now let's start modeling the structural elements. But first, these elements have to be loaded into our Revit project. So for that, go to structure, select the beam tool. You can see that we don't have any element in this project. To bring in new elements, go to load family. Here, structural framing is where we can find the elements we need. Open the root folder. We should select one of these. Here we have a range of sizes to choose from, but preferably I'll just go with one size. And I can modify the later as required. Now let's create the sizes that are needed for our roof structure. We need to create one for the Purlins and one for the truss. So this can be done here in edit type. Duplicate the type. This will be a 2x3. Let's set the breadth to 50 millimeters. The depth should be 75 millimeters. Click on OK and select duplicate again. Change the name to 2x6. In this case, the depth will be 150 millimeters. Now let's go back into our project. So first of all, I'll use the beam system to create the Purlins by going to structure. From here, select beam system. Go here and select set work plane. Click on pick a plane. Now set the work plane to this face. The fixed spacing for the Purlins will be 90 centimeters. So I'll go to the property panel and enter 90 centimeters for my fixed spacing. and the justification will be direction line. And here select the 2x3 for the beam type. Go to the draw panel and select pick line. And select the boundaries of this face. After that, you have to create a beam direction, so go over here and select beam direction. Pick the line tool, and here draw a line going from center left to center right. Finish the beam system by clicking the finish button. We will create another beam system for the other side of the roof. So select create similar. Select set work plane and select pick a plane. And now pick this face. Select pick line to pick the boundaries of the beam system. And now I'll select the beam direction, select the line tool, and from here to here I'll create the beam direction and finish the creation. Now that we have our Purlins, we should start creating the rafters. So let's take create similar. And over here change your spacing to 1.5 meters. For the beam type, choose 2x6. Go to set work plane. And here select pick a plane. Pick the face of this slope. Select the pick line tool. Hover your mouse over the edge of the roof, hit the tab key and click on the beam line. Pick all the lines at once. Go to beam direction, select the line tool. Draw a line going in this direction and finish the roof creation. Do same for this other side of the roof. After creating the rafters and the Purlins, we should now place the truss. So let's make the roof transparent. This of course will give us a better view of our elements. This can be done by right-clicking on the roof. Go to the right graphics button. Here you can set the transparency level to 70. Okay, that is done. Let's start placing the truss. And for that, I'll go to truss. But we don't have the truss family. So we'll go to load family. And here look for structural trusses folder. This truss will be fine. While in 3D, rotate to the top view. Now select truss again. Because I want to place it on level 2, I'll go here and select level 2. Draw the truss along the rafters. You can see that this truss does not fit well on the roof. So next thing is to modify the truss. Select the truss, move to the property panel. Here, change the height to 3 meters. Here you will notice that the rafters does not fit nicely inside the roof. In that case, we are going to delete them so that we are only left with the ones we created using the beam system. So to do that, I will hover my mouse over the rafter, hit the tab key. This will allow me to select just this particular rafter, and I can now unpin it before deleting. I'll do same for this one over here. So we will now make some adjustment to the rafters. To make this adjustment, first select the roof. Look for base offset here and change it to about 250 millimeters. Now let's make some adjustment to the ceiling joists. However, you can make this adjustment by moving your truss up a bit. So this can be done by selecting the truss, go to the property panel and change the bearing vertical to bottom. Set the start level to 0. Now select the ceiling joist and move it inside a bit. So here you will see that the pole line and the rafters are not in their normal position. I believe this happened because of the work plane that we selected when we were creating the beam system. So select one of the rafters, and to select all of them, right click on the selected rafter, go to instances and select visible and view. So select on pin over here. Now go change the offset value to negative 0.155. But to be able to select all the points, right click on it, go to instance and select visible and view. Click on the pin button to open them. And on the property panel, so here move it down by negative 750 millimeters. Or negative 50 millimeters. Okay, so now select the rafter and move it up by negative 0.130. And that is it for the rafters and Purlins. The strut also needs some few adjustments, so the king pose is fine. But let's see how we can fix the strut. So select this, click the tab key, right click and go to instances, then select disable on view. Go up and unpin the members. And now you can make some adjustments to all of them. The Purlins on this side need to go up a bit, so just select all of them. And on the property panel, move it to 00. You have finished fixing the truss. You have to select the entire truss. Go to view and copy it to where the other rafters are found. Let's check to see the roof element. Now you can go to visual style and set it on realistic. And this is exactly what you get. So the only thing left now is a facial plane. I'll go to architecture, go to roof, and roof select roof facial. You can now place that at the end of the rafters. And this side, you will place it at the end of the boards. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something useful and enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this.